We will guide you through how to link layer in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your web browser to access the Photopea. Double-click the browser icon to open it, and wait for the window to load completely. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser, type Photopea, and then press enter on your keyboard to begin searching. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to access the official website. After the page finishes loading, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen, ready for use. Select the Open from Computer option so you can access the photo you want to edit. Locate the photo you prepared earlier, click on it, and then choose to open it. Wait for the editing page to load completely before continuing. Once it is ready, press Ctrl and 0 together on your keyboard to fit the canvas neatly to your screen for a better editing view. To link layers in Photopea, follow the next steps carefully. First, enter the file you want to link to another file. Go to the File menu at the top of the workspace and select the Open and Place option. Browse for your prepared image, click on it, and then select Open to place it into Photopea. Next, you need to select the two layers you want to link together. Click on the first layer in the Layers panel. Then hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking on the second layer to select both at the same time. After selecting the layers, look at the bottom of the Layers panel where several icons are displayed. Simply click the link icon to connect the two selected layers. The layers are now linked, allowing them to move and transform together while remaining separate layers. You have now successfully learned how to link layers in Photopea.